The best thing about the future is that it comes only one day at a time. Therefore, everyone, we have exactly 7,514 days to plan a reasonable, easy, simple way of getting 1 million Māori speakers by 2040. And I have exactly 5 minutes and some random seconds to explain how we can do this. But wait, to what extent does this topic mean? Does it mean 1 million people can simply say kia ora o ata Māori, or does it mean 1 million people have to say a full mihi? This is one question that needs to be answered first. So, hey Siri, what does it mean to speak a certain language? She replies, fluency is described as being able to write, read, and speak easily in any given language. That must mean a mihi. Is this goal impossible? No. Will it be hard? Of course it will be. But honestly, what's the harm in trying? This achievement is very, very critical in New Zealand because, as most of you know, we have almost had a time where we almost lost our language and our identity. But that's another topic that I will discuss further on. Do you know where this topic came from? 1 million Māori speakers by 2040? Yes? No? This topic came from the New Zealand government themselves. This is a quote spoken from their words. So let me ask you, doesn't that give you the confidence to think that this goal is achievable? Hi, my name is Mazaine, but you can call me Maz. No, not Mars like the planet, or Mazda like the car, but Maz. I am representing Te Kora Taumata Pangaru once again. Ever heard of the place? Yes, maybe. It doesn't matter anyway. It's the perfect school for me, and that's all that counts. You can't change the past, so focus on making a better future. I'm going to give a brief description of this quote. You can't change the past. No. We can't change the past. We can't change the struggles that our Māori ancestors, grandparents, parents and friends had to go through because they wanted to speak the only language they knew. We can't change the fact that they would be punished if even kia ora was spoken in public, school, and some cases even at home. So let's focus on making a better future. We almost lost our language, but we now have the right to create the future and make what was once wrong right again. Remember, guys, this is our country, this is our language, and this is our future. So let's get to how I plan to make this 1 million. Through music. I know a lot of us know Billie Eilish, Bob Marley, UB40, Ariana Grande, Baby Shark. But what do all these have in common? They are written and sung in English. Don't get me wrong, I love me a little baby shark, and a little, I want it, I got it. But where is all the Māori music? Poie, Tiaho Maira, Mamuatia, three songs combined would never make up as many views as Baby Shark. Doesn't that tell you something? Our language isn't as popular as it once was. Those with a voice, show your culture, show your identity, show your language with a song. Let's help make this million. Step 2, the government. I know right now the government is trying to make te reo Māori compulsory in schools. And honestly, that is the biggest achievement they could possibly pull off. Although there are some people who disagree with it for some reason. One reason would be, it's too hard. Another reason would be, it's not my culture. Wow, sorry about it, but you're in New Zealand. The native language is te reo Māori. Wouldn't you want to share the language with us, learn it and speak it? Finally, independent learning. Now, this is a challenging step for some. Te reo is not just found in school and in music. Te reo is found everywhere. You can learn te reo online, in books, for your friends and families in the TV. Te reo is found everywhere. This will be a challenging task, but I tell you right now, it's not as hard as controlling your anger when a default kills you in Fortnite. By following these 3 steps, I'm telling you that we can achieve this goal, 1 million Māori speakers by 2040. Now, with only a few seconds left, I'm going to explain a brief quote by Steve Jobs. The people that are crazy enough to think they can change the world are the ones who truly do. Kia ora, everyone.